Hi guys, so welcome back. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, and if you're existing, thank you guys so much for tuning in. So welcome to a new video. I just don't wanna mention the dates and days because I get so confused. So let's just say welcome to a new video. So you guys, we moved in today. It's day two being in the new house, right? So we tried so hard to have a functional space, functional kitchen, because we are tired of takeaways. We are tired of takeaways. I'm sure if I start talking louder, you would hear the echoing in my voice. So we're just gonna go buy grocery. We don't have any food. We don't have food to eat. We made sure before we move, we finish all the food. Because, yeah, why not? So, yeah, let's go. So before we leave, guys, this is what we have. Like, okay, yesterday we managed to go at least buy some French polony because Kanto wanted to eat some food, and then we got some acha. So this is what I did. And then we got also Vienna's, at least the rama, we moved with it. And there's nothing. And in here, I think we have a bit of meat. So we have some steak, lamb shank, and I think that's it. So this is the fridge. And then for the cupboards, you can see I started organizing. So I'm having this visual idea. So I will have the cereal, sugar, and there at the back it's something, lentils, some risotto, some beans, most spices, a whole lot of spices. And in here there's no pasta, there's just one pasta, a little bit of it left. So yeah, and in here get the jelly la di bona. So yeah, a gona dijo ka mo o ka jang wena hona ka mo yo. Next broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods. So guys, arna di drinker lights. So honale a restaurant and bakery mo Cosmo. They sell dumpling, malamhodu, cow heels, namaya tlhoho, hard body, beef stew, everything, the dumpling. So we are here to taste it. Hello.
Hello.
Say hello to the vlog.
Hello vlog.
Sister ka maharo to tsamaya. So one thing I got couch one. So yeah guys, let's wait and taste the delicious food. I can't wait. Okay guys. Bought it from everything from Pick and Pay, and then we went to Pep Home. I think and then they fitted mattress for a mattress protector for single bed and then they made for this rug. It looks nice and it's bigger, so then I did thing. So this is the rug. Actually, let me show you. It will cover enough space and fitted sheet for better yahafe. Skipping rope. I hope that what is going to be towards it. And then this is some toothbrushes. Yeah, that's what we bought for Pep, and then obviously Pick and Pay is all these kind of groceries that we're just gonna now pack away. And then Zena, we will see them in the morning. Oh, guys, we're gonna try out these. this is what we're gonna eat. And I bought these dumpling with mahodu. It smells nice with mahodu. You know, most how on a competition healthy, you better try their food and then obone how to improve as well, or you still the best in the game. So yeah, guys, I'm going to try these, but they are so soft. I can't wait to dig in. Then I'll give you guys feedback. They are in North Riding Corner Complex, I think that's what they call it. Yeah, so let's unbox grocery.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what.
So guys, I bought this meat. I think it's 3 kg, right? And it's 360 rand for meat world. Yeah, I think it's 3 kg if I'm not mistaken, or 4 kg actually. It's 4 kg of beef stew, of which it's very nice. Check, it's a very nice cut of meat. So this is what I normally do. After buying the entire 4 kg, I'll just sort it out. The divide and then like I know this is gonna save the two of us. Really two, both if it's Sunday meal, and then even if it's not Sunday meal, rapia, this packet is gonna save us for skaftini, babangkang skaftini, lohojano. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll use plastics and then get it divided kamahar. So like so I need to put enough meat, then freeze it. I thought I should just share. This is what I'm going to eat. Oh, okay. Hi guys, welcome back, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, and if you're existing, thank you guys so much for returning. So today is Friday. Yeah, I am busy preparing breakfast, so I'm just making creamy peri-peri chicken livers. I'm gonna serve that with some bread, avocado, and maybe eggs. Yeah, let's prepare. Okay, so I've already started browning my livers. So I didn't add anything. It was dry browning because they had water. So I wanted that water to just evaporate on its own. Guys, I'm so sorry. I don't have my phone mic and my camera is charging. So I'm now going to add cooking oil. And then Kanto is busy with TV, so there's a bit of noise, background noise. I'm so sorry guys. Yeah, right now I'm just coating these with some oil. I'm just gonna take them out.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal